What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And we all know how good the Google Pixel 6a was when compared to its processor, but that's not the case anymore for the budget Google Pixel 7a. Because Google Pixel 7a is going to be a better smartphone when compared to the Pixel 6a and also a practical option not to buy a Google Pixel 7. Now, before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. First of all, the Pixel 6 7a is also going to be a compact smartphone with a 6.1 inch of a Full HD Plus OLED display, and this time around the refresh rate is getting bumped up from 60 to 90 Hz, and also the processor is going to be a Google Tensor G2 processor. Earlier it was Google Tensor G1 in the original Google Tensor processor in the Pixel 6a, but that's not the case again as it's a year over upgrade. And also the RAM support for LPDDR5 RAM with a 8 gigs of base RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of storage option, which was earlier missing. Also, the UFS storage is going to be of 3.1 fast storage options or not, and you will also be getting a Titan M2 security chip, which is dedicated one, and it was also missing in the Pixel 6a. It will run on Android 13 out of the box and 3 years of major OS upgrades, a 64 megapixel of a primary Sony IMX787 processor with the 12 megapixel of an ultra-wide camera. Now you will also be getting a 10.8 megapixel of a front selfie shooter, which is going to remain the same, but this time around the wireless charging is also being included with the 5 watt of fast wireless charging. The Wi-Fi is going to be a Wi-Fi 6E, so you can also get a better transition speeds in the phone with the 5G overall. Now the price of the Pixel 7 is expected to be somewhere around to be at 40 to 45,000 rupees in India, and also but in the sale time last year also we saw how drastically the Pixel 6a price drops, so you can also expect the pricing of this smartphone to be a decent around if Google does not mishaps the pricing this time. Also, the phone is expected to be launching in May itself, so stay tuned for more updates. If you enjoyed this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one.